Hi guys, welcome to our channel Love Art where travel is an art. I'm just praying for the safety of everyone, but please make sure कि आप भी अपना ध्यान रख रहे हो और सारी guidelines को follow कर रहे हो. Please keep watching us so that we can keep you entertained and keep providing you information about the recent travel scenarios. आज हम लोग बात करेंगे the famous offbeat travel destinations which are ideal for your honeymoon. India is, it's a dream country which has secret diamonds har jagah pe. Everything, the geographic excellence of India is such that you can keep exploring and you would still have many things unexplored. So, आप तो जब भी plan करते हो, you might have stumbled across places like Manali, Shimla, Ooty, Jaipur. These are quite famous. And मैंने भी एक video बनाया है where I have mentioned few ideal beach destinations for your honeymoon. आज हम लोग बात करेंगे कुछ offbeat honeymoon destinations की, जो कि आपको guarantee है कि you will be getting an isolated romantic honeymoon to spend with your loved one. So the first one that we are going to talk about is Coorg. Mysore से लगभग 107 kilometers away. It's in South India, and Coorg is called, it's popularly known as the Scotland of India. इसकी rich history, stunning mountains, eye-feasting flora and fauna, the mouth-watering delicacies, and the most important, the unadulterated coffee produce is going to keep you coming back for more. This place, it's almost like a hill station जहाँ पे आप, it's very small. You can plan for a weekend getaway also to this place, and यहाँ की कुछ specialities है, so don't forget to check these places out before you move on to your next day. So the first one is Nagarhole National Park. This national park is very famous and आपको जाना चाहिए यहाँ पे to find some real exotic species. You can also go to Dubare Elephant Park here. Namdroling Monastery भी एक बहुत famous place है यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे कुछ mesmerizing towns है like Gonikoppal, Polibetta and Somapet. These towns will add rewarding experience to your travel. So don't forget to visit all these places in Coorg, and I'm sure you'll be enthralled by the beauty of this place. The next best destination है, it's called Hampi. It's also in South India, and it's recognized by UNESCO as the World Heritage Site. ये जगह vibrant है, charming है, and अगर आप यहाँ जाओगे, you get to experience the history of the old Vijayanagar kingdom. साथ ही इसकी fine art को आप celebrate कर सकते हो, and there are figures with more than 500 building qualities. So you get to see all of that, and if you are a person जिनको history पे बहुत ज़्यादा passion है, you will enjoy this place a lot. The places that you should visit in Hampi are Monkey Temple, Archaeological Museum, Vijaya Vitthal Temple, Virupaksha Temple, Queen's Bath and Riverside Ruins. Hampi में आप rock climbing कर सकते हो, and the nearest railway station that connects to Hampi is Hospet, जो कि यहाँ से 13 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे है. Moving on to the next best offbeat destination is Lakshadweep. अगर आपको private time पसंद है, so Lakshadweep is the ideal place for you. ये सबसे छोटा यूनियन टेरिटरी है with about 36 islands within it. इसकी sun-kissed seashore and tidal ponds are going to keep you mesmerized. ऐसी ही बहुत सारी activities आप लक्षद्वीप में कर सकते हो. It is not very well explored, and आप यहाँ पे जाके एक बहुत अच्छी सी time spend कर सकते हो. In fact, in these times of COVID, if you have the urge to travel, I would recommend you to stay home, of course, but अगर बहुत उग गए हो and you really want to travel, these offbeat destinations are the best places that you can travel because of the crowd, because the crowd is very less in these areas at this point of time. Chin se Agatti Island is the very effective method of commutation, and Kochi से लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड के लिए डायरेक्ट शिप्स भी है, so you can choose any mode of travel and reach this beautiful destination. हम अपने next best offbeat destination पे जाते हैं, which is in northern Kerala, especially places like Wayanad, Bekal and Silent Valley. तो मैं आपको कुछ फीचर्स इन तीनों जगह के बारे में बताती हूँ. Wayanad is famous for its flawless valleys, rich backwoods, and shimmering lake, encircled by majestic western ghats. It's a beauty to spot. Bekal gloats of its vintage fortress, beguiling shoreline, and astounding climate. Silent Valley is again charming yet unpredictable. यहाँ की Biosphere Reserve is known for rich biodiversity, peace and serene. यहाँ की Nilgiri Biosphere is known for its rich biodiversity, peace and beautiful scenery. The next best offbeat destination is the Annamalai Trail. Cuddled at the Annamalai Hills, Top Ship is a refreshing and lavish green sanctuary. यहाँ की mountain range is described by great valleys and sizzling lakes. Parambikulam Reserve also gloats of its serenity and extravagance. The next ideal offbeat destination for your honeymoon is Kodaikanal. Covered with oak and pine trees all around, this place is like a dream. I would recommend you to go to the Pillar Rock and invest some time in the Silver Cascade waterfalls. Madurai is the international airport that connects to Kodaikanal. Madurai is the international airport that is the closest air terminal, and Coimbatore is the nearest rail junction. Moving on to the next best offbeat destination is Khajuraho. यहाँ की beautiful figures और craftsmanship को देखने के लिए you need to walk hand in hand with your loved one, because you can see romance depicted in the beautiful statuettes and they reflect love and adoration. कि atmosphere ही इतनी romantic है that you would want to stay in this place. Later you can go for the sound and light show portraying the Chandela line and the Khajuraho sanctuary. Moving on to our next best offbeat destination for honeymoon is Tawang. So, roosted at about 10,000 feet, this charming destination of Arunachal Pradesh welcomes you with beautiful religious communities, gompas and picturesque locations. यहाँ पे आप क्या मिस मत करिएगा. सेला पास पे जो पैराडाइज लेक है वो, फेमस पंकंग तेंगसो लेक, नूरानांग वाटरफॉल. Enjoy an exciting helicopter ride with your significant other, Tawang Monastery, Taksang Gompa and many others. यहाँ पे पहुंचने के लिए तेजपुर is the closest air terminal. The next best offbeat destination is Gangtok, an untainted kaleidoscope of the pleasant scene and romantic climate. Gangtok is known for beautiful destinations like the Rumtek Monastery, Nathula Pass, Yamthang Valley, Hanuman Talk, Ganesh Talk, Baba Harbhajan Singh Temple, high mountains, shimmering lakes, and snow-loaded carports. Bagdogra is the nearest air terminal. The rich stretch of mangrove woodland and the exotic Sundarban forests makes this destination the most beautiful destination in West Bengal that you should travel to. If you want to spot the Bengal tiger, the ideal time would be from November to February. Other exotic animals would be saltwater crocodile, wild pigs, foxes, panther felines, and colossal turtles. कुछ famous highlights हैं सुंदरबंस की. Don't miss them when you are here. The Sajnik Ali Bird Sanctuary, Tincona Island, Dublar Char Island, Sudhanya Khali Watchtowers, among others. The closest air terminal is Kolkata. The next offbeat destination is Ranthambore. This national park is situated in Savai Madhopur area of Rajasthan. Ranthambore Safari at this national park is the biggest highlight of this national park. October to June is the ideal time to go to Ranthambore National Park. The next best destination that you should consider for your honeymoon is Alleppey. Alleppey is in Kerala, और यहाँ की backwaters, the famous houseboat, the beaches, the coconuts clanking are the best things that you can ever think of in any ideal honeymoon destination. This is the best place that you can spend leisurely with your partner. Alleppey ke nearest, you also find Varkala beach, which is very famous because it has the crowd is very less compared to that of Goa, and the beaches are as exotic as that of Goa's, and you get all types of wonders. And so last but not the least, we have come to the end of these offbeat honeymoon destinations. So the last one is Araku Valley, जो कि विशाखापट्टनम में है. This unexplored hill station is covered with foliage. If you want to take a break from the hustle bustle of the urban area and you need a tranquil reprieve, please come to Araku Valley. This place is a great spot for swimming and also for exploring different places. Katiki waterfalls है यहाँ पे, which is the famous one in Visakhapatnam. Kambalakonda Wildlife Sanctuary, Bora Caves, and Submarine Museum are some of the highlights of this beautiful valley. I'm sure you have noted down some of the best offbeat destinations to consider for your honeymoon. However, you should also remember the COVID guidelines and travel very safely. अगर आपके पास भी कोई और ऐसी जगहें हैं जो आप हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहो, which are offbeat and less crowded and also lot of fun, you can mention to us in the comment section. Please keep watching us and keep commenting us, keep sharing us for better reach. This is Supriti signing off.